My name is Simply Animated and welcome to my channel. If you're something in the background, it's my mom. But today really doesn't make sense. Today we have for you like a makeup tutorial. Don't know exactly what I want to call it. I don't know if I want to call it Color Pop's Yes Please makeup tutorial, because I did use the eyeshadow palette with an orange lip. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that may be the title of this video. I have to use drugstore products, so majority stuff is drugstore. Mine is my under eye eyeliner and some Marc Jacobs. I wanted to oh my goodness, this was originally supposed to be a simple makeup look for beginners with like I think like I was gonna use like one eyeshadow in this lip color, but an idea popped in my mind, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video though. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, etc. Vámonos amigos. Okay, so we're going to apply this translucent powder from E.L.F on our brows. This is only if you have oily eyebrows. I have complexion skin and my eyebrows are one of the things that oil up. So for our brows, we're using LA Girl. No, it's not LA Girl. This is definitely not. This is LA Colors WOWIE brow pencil. It has a product on this side and the spoolie on this side. So these are our brows after I apply the product. Now I'm just going to make them look more natural with the spoolie. Okay, so we're going to clean up our brows with this Color Pop concealer, no filter concealer. This is in dark 44. I just want you guys to know that like eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. But mine are like cousins, like distant cousins. Like they naturally like grow out weird and stuff. So mine might be a little off on camera, but that's okay. So to blend this all out, I'm just going to take one of these little sponges that I got from the big supply store. Okay, I just gotta find my eyebrows. They're not even. I don't even care. As long as the eyeshadow and stuff looks good, I don't even care. Anywho, speaking of eyeshadow, we're going to start the same concealer we used. We're going to put this down here and then we're going to blend it down and then set it with banana powder. We're pretty much using this as a primer. This has been used as a primer pretty much. You can use eyeshadow primer if you want to, but I prefer to use concealers. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and dust away this excess powder, because this looks cray. Okay, so our eyeshadow we'll be using Yes Please. This is a palette by Color Pop. So first we're going to start with our transition shade, and for our transition shade we'll be going with Big Cocktail. Next we'll be going in with Gino and we'll be applying it to our crease area. Taking Spoiled. For my final for my final crease color, I'll be taking French Kiss. It's pretty brown right here. Brown isn't like being as, it isn't coming up as pigmented as I wanted to. So I'm gonna go on with this brush right here and I'm gonna try to make it, you know, pop a little more. For our lid, we'll be using Chauffeur. I can't put today. I'm using Chauffeur for our lid. I'm just gonna blend this out some. I feel like it's not blended like together as it should be, so I'm just gonna do this. Disclaimer: if you hear noise in the background, my mom was watching the Golden Awards. Did I say that right? This sounds like a tongue twister. The Golden Globe Awards, and I'm trying to be nosy here, you know, who's all winning. So as if you know, hear something in the back, just let you know. Okay, so for our brow bone highlight, we'll be going in with full zip. I don't like this, so I'm going to use this NYX bronzing powder, and I'm going to try to put that under my brow bone. For our eyeliner, we'll be using NYX Vinyl Eyeliner. Okay, so the rest of this makeup tutorial is going to be a voiceover. So after I get apply my eyeliner, I'm going with my mascara, and I'm using the Falsies by Maybelline. After this, I'm going in with my eyelashes, which I did off camera. They are Ardell's Wispy lashes. Wispy lashes. Oh my goodness. For my under eye eyeliner, I use Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner, and for my face primer, I'm using Black Rancid Shine Control face primer. After applying my face primer, I'm now setting my face with E.L.F's HD face powder and translucent. After this, I'll be color correcting with Toast or Beautiful Bronze and LA Girl Pro Concealer. Well, one of their pro concealers. I don't know which one. Now moving on to our face routine. No, not face routine. What am I saying? Moving on to our foundation. For my foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Matte Plus Poreless Primer. No, their foundation in 360. I believe that's Cappuccino or Mocha. I want to say Mocha. That's definitely Mocha. Now to set this, I'm using my finishing powder from Black Radanice, and it's in the color Chocolate. I'll leave the name down below. Now it's time for my favorite part, highlighting and contouring. To highlight, I'm going in with Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer and Tan. This tan. This concealer is the bomb. I think I did 2 layers. This is the first layer here, and you're going to see the second layer in the next clip, I believe. Yep, I was right. Next clip. As usual, I'm highlighting under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. Oh, and also my chin. You can't forget the chin, honey. Okay, so now I'm setting my face with my E.L.F setting spray. This makes it easier for me to blend my highlighter. Correction, makes it 10 times easier for me to blend my highlighter. If you don't do this, I suggest you do. But if you don't, it's your preference. I'm also using a brush, which I usually don't use. I usually use a beauty blender. I prefer Real Techniques beauty blender. Well, blending sponge, as they say. Okay, so in this clip, I'm just looking at my makeup. I think I'm trying to get a thumbnail, but I was just trying to see how my makeup looks. If you don't do this, you should do this because you don't want like a floating ghost state or anything like that. Okay, so in the next clip, I'm setting my highlight, that bum highlight we just applied, and I'm using my E.L.F. I forgot the name of the powder. Oh, E.L.F. HD powder and corrective yellow. See there? I remember. I'm just, highlighting under everything that I highlight. I'm just applying the powder to everywhere I highlighted. And I'm also doing my cheeks. Supposed to make a contour pop out a little more. Speaking of contour, now it's time for us to chisel our cheeks, noses, eyeballs, all that. I'm just playing. I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion powder, contour palette to contour my nose, cheeks, forehead, all that jazz. Okay, next we're going to take our powder from earlier and we're going to dust away that excess powder that we don't need anymore. Our face is baked and set. Next, I'm taking the powder brush and I'm just blending everything in, making sure I have my skin tone back. We don't want to look ashy or like a ghost. Also touching up my contour. For our inner eye or our tear, like most people call it, we're using Buttercup from the same palette. And after that, we'll be applying, what's this shade called? Spoiled. For our under eye. I don't know the name of that, but I just know it's my under eye. After this, we're applying Maybelline's The Falsies Style Bomb Lashes, because they gotta be pretty on fleek too. Okay, for my blush, I'm going with Toasted Onion by Black Radiance. And after that, it's our highlighter. For our highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's. No, this is Maybelline's Highlighter Mocha Gold. And I think it's what's it called? I can't think of it right now. What I was looking for was holographic. And speaking of holographic, we're using a lavender blush from Wet n Wild. I believe this is holographic as well, but I'm not sure. So after that, we'll be setting our face and applying our lip liner. Okay, so for our lip color, we'll be using ColourPop's Mustard Stitch. This is Bomb Matte Orange. I applied 2 layers of this color. This is our last and final step. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more content. I know this is a lot, but if you don't like the lip color, you can always substitute it for a nude shade or a nude lip gloss. Just tone down a little bit, just do what you gotta do. But hopefully get some inspiration from this look. Hello, my name is Simply Animated. Thank you for coming to my channel. Subscribe if you like my content. If you're new here, what's up?